Hello, welcome you on board. First of all, I would like to appreciate your proactiveness. While all your friends and classmates are hanging out at platforms like Insta, Snapchat, and Netflix, and all these things, you have chosen to focus on your career. As you know, this is a career alignment platform. Trust me, by the end of this session, you will get to understand the dynamics of fresher recruitment in IT. All your myths will be busted, and the most important thing, you will be given a new lens to view the IT world and plan your career accordingly. Okay? Finally, I promise you that your perception towards building a career in IT and facing an IT interview will be transformed completely after this session. Yeah, it happens for sure, because it happened for thousands of people who have gone through my book and interacted with me personally. I am the living proof, okay? Who am I? Let me introduce myself. I will take you through the presentation. Yeah, the picture itself tells the entire story. Basically, this is an institute to industry alignment workshop. How many of you are really serious about building a career in IT? Put this question to yourself and answer it. If you are really serious and ready for it, then this session is going to offer you a clear roadmap. Okay. These are the three ground rules. Okay. 3 E's: empty cup, emotion, and energy. Firstly, empty cup. You should empty your mind and be open to absorb. Second one, emotion. You should be emotionally connected to it. Don't watch it casually as you are watching a WhatsApp status or Insta reel. Okay. Third one is energy. You should have your full energy channelized over here to get the maximum out of this session. Stay focused. You should be present here physically, mentally, and emotionally. Okay. I am Mankina Udaiban. Worked as a software engineer for last 12 years. I used to be part of the central recruitment department of our company, where I got an opportunity to understand how these IT companies hire people or engineers at different levels. Say freshers, experienced professionals, etc. Fortunately, my specialization is fresher recruitment. With all that experience put together, I have authored a book called IT Bills. Okay, it is a step-by-step guide to get a job while you are on campus. Okay, let me show you my book. This is my book. It has been the Amazon bestseller in 2022 when I launched it. Okay, and two things about IT jobs. Listen carefully. IT jobs are easy to get and high paying. But how do we get it? You should have a blueprint ready with you and a structured preparation and presentation strategy. Okay, I told both preparation and presentation strategy. Preparation alone will not help you. Okay, all these details have been included in this book, and this book has got great reviews from all sections of the industry, say students, parents, employers, academicians, and everyone. Yeah, this book, which you have seen in the previous slide, has been featured in the Hindu newspaper back then. Okay, the article highlighted that B.Tech students who are in their final year should have a structured preparation plan and proper mentorship to crack a job while they are on campus, college campus. I got many good reviews from students, as this book has influenced their perception towards IT job. They have learned a lot about the IT career having gone through this book.